In this video, I will show you how to connect hosting your domain to Google Workspace. Now to get started, go ahead and open Google Workspace on your web browser. Make sure that you're signed in into your Google Workspace account. Now this is different from your personal Google Mail account, so make sure you create an account. Head over to Hostinger and sign in to your account. Make sure that you already bought a domain before you start with this. So simply go ahead and click on the domains tab, and under this you'll be able to find the different pricing for every domain, and you can also find new domain and generate domain using AI. After you set your domain in this section, go ahead and head back to Google Workspace, and then here go ahead and click on Accounts tab and click on Manage Domain under the Domains tabs. Now this will redirect you into this section, and here you can simply hit on the Add a Domain button. Make sure to enter the information connected to your Hostinger domain. So make sure that you provide all of the correct information to immediately add or connect your Hostinger domain into your Google Workspace. And that is how you can simply connect your Hostinger domain to your Google Workspace. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.